So today I'm going to take you through the quick process of setting up additional security for your Robinhood portfolio. Now, this is really important to make sure that you have additional protection against hackers onto your account. Now, we're going to go through this process fairly quickly and easy, so make sure you follow along with every single step. Now, before we go through that process, if you are someone who has student loans and needs to refinance to lower your interest rates, check out my link down below to learn how to refinance your student loans entirely for free, as well as a nice $100 bonus for using my referral, which helps out the channel to continue to provide free content just like this. All right, so let's go ahead and load up the app right over here so you can see everything happening in real time. So right over here, we're going to be on the main page of Robinhood. It might look slightly different depending on which update you currently have, but the process is going to be nonetheless similar. So on the bottom right-hand side of the app, you're going to see a little icon that looks like a person. We're going to go ahead and click on this right over here. Now here you're going to see a couple different options for you. The one we want to go to is where it says settings right over here. And then in the settings options, we have a couple different things, but you can see under the securities section, there's a couple different things. One, if you don't have your device security on for either Touch ID or Face ID or even a PIN, I highly recommend doing that first and foremost. And then the second thing underneath that is going to be two-factor authentication. And this is where we want to set this up. So currently it shows it disabled, and we're going to go ahead and click over here. And we're going to go ahead and see the toggle currently off on that two-factor authentication. Now you can click the learn more button if you want to and go into a deeper dive of what everything is all about when it comes through this process. But we're going to go ahead and just currently toggle on this. And we have a couple different options here for us. Now, just keep this in mind when you're going through this. All of these have different levels of security. So the very first one is through text message. That's what the SMS stands for. There's also a Google Authenticator. There is a couple other ones here as well. But what we're going to do here today is just go through the text message one. But of course, if you have a Google Authenticator, that might be a great option for you to go with. So what we're going to do is click on that top option there, and it's going to ask us to confirm our phone number. So I currently, of course, have my phone number blurred out, but what it's going to have is a text message that came through, and I'm going to go ahead and fill out that information from the code that they sent me. I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue right over here, and it's gonna give me a backup emergency code. Of course, I have it blurred out, so I'm gonna make sure I have this copied, and then I'm also gonna place it in a very safe location, so if something were to happen, I have that backup code. So just make sure you keep that in mind when going through this process. Once you're done with that, we're gonna hit that continue button on the very bottom side over here. And then you're going to see right over here, it's going to have it now fully activated and ready to go. Keeping in mind that text messages aren't typically the most secure, but it is definitely an additional step that you can take to protect your Robinhood account. Now, I want you to keep on learning with Robinhood and making sure you don't make mistakes with this platform. So I want you to check out my video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.